All right, guys, here's a quick update. We're running. I got the fuel tank all cleaned up and reinstalled. I ended up having to go through the carburetor one more time, of course. I'm missing the air intake box cover. We've been idling for about 20 minutes now. The speedometer and the fuel level doesn't work. So I'm thinking it was a wiring issue, or originally I thought it was just the level sensor. Missing a battery, missing an air filter. I got those on order. I ordered a new fuel filter. Let's see, we are running. Brakes seem to be working. So I'd say we're ready for a test run.